Select Edit Mode. It will show your selected main program. Touch Fixed Sentence soft key. Select Fixed Sentence with start and end lines and touch OK soft key. Keep cursor between start and end lines. Touch left Next Page and touch Display CAD soft key. Select CAD file from mcard, a USB or shared folder, and touch OK soft key to open CAD file. Touch Set Origin soft key and touch any point on drawing to set center and touch OK soft key. Touch Set Plane soft key and touch XY soft key for plane selection. Touch Hole Position soft key. Then touch each hole to select drilling position. After selecting all holes, touch Set Cycle soft key. Select cycle type as standard. Select operation as drilling. Select drilling type as pecking. Select plane as XY. Enter total drilling depth as -10. Enter drill start position as 2. Enter pecking depth as 3. Enter retract distance as 0.5. Enter drilling feed rate as 100. Enter number of repetition as 1. After all data filled, touch OK soft key. Program lines will be inserted between starting and ending lines. Touch left Next Page and touch CAD Close soft key to close CAD window.